The financial sector is packed full of acronyms and abbreviations, and understanding what they all mean can be like deciphering a code. Here's the A to Z of financial acronyms. AML stands for anti-money laundering. BS stands for balance sheet. CA stands for capital allowance, and can also stand for current assets. CAGR stands for compound annual growth. CF stands for cash flow. CFO stands for chief financial officer. EBITDA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization. FA stands for fixed assets. FY stands for financial year. GAAP stands for General Accepted Accounting Principles. GDPR stands for General Data Protection Regulation. HMRC stands for His Majesty's Revenue and Customs. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. MTD stands for Making Tax Digital. M&A stands for Mergers and Acquisitions. NBV stands for Net Book Value. OPM stands for Operating Profit Margin. P&L Statement stands for Profit and Loss Statement. ROA stands for Return on Assets. ROI stands for Return on Investment. TB stands for Trial Balance. VAT stands for Value Added Tax. WDA stands for Written Down Allowance. And finally, YTD stands for Year to Date.